short unboxing and quick review about this EAKKOR Voice Recorder. It's not just normal voice recorder with a tape as we are used. This is a digital voice recorder. Of course, you can also do voice recording with your smartphone, but I've tried this already many times and in a lot of cases it failed. Sometimes it doesn't start recording, or the app then in a sudden stops or doesn't save the file, or it was trying to record from an external microphone which was not there. It's absolutely incredible how many problems you can face when you try to record just voice with your smartphone, especially if you're in a rush or it has to work 100% reliable. And also if it comes to safety, then there's a huge problem with smartphones. And this thing is totally offline. Nobody can access your files, nobody can access your voice data, and it's working absolutely 100% reliable because it's just supposed to do that and nothing else. So you don't have to be worried about pop-up ads or that the recording app fails in a sudden. That's not going to happen here. And that's also the reason why a lot of professionals are still using dedicated voice recorders, something like that. And so here is what we get. Comes also with some accessories like a charging cable, standard USB-A to micro USB. Then we get in some earphones, also work with micro USB. And then of course the super tiny, sleek, beautiful device itself. And it's very easy to use. You just long press here on the top. Then it turns on and it's ready to record with the huge built-in 68GB storage. By the way, the storage card is here in the back. You could also remove it, replace it with a larger one or so. Take it out, read the files in your computer, but easier of course when you connect it with this cable here. And to save and transfer the files from the voice recorder, you just need to connect it with this cable here. Then plug it into your computer. Then you will see two additional drives. There's one called No Name and it contains a lot of files. For example, the ones with the voice recordings. And the good thing, you don't need to install an additional program. You don't have to pay for a subscription. You can just see, copy, click on it, let it play, save the files for you, upload them to a cloud, share the files with friends. And there's also a folder inside which you can just click and then it will set date and time. But you can also set it here. There's a huge menu here built in. So I can just switch a little bit through all the menus. Has also some settings. Can confirm on the top. Then you can see some of the different menus here. It has a ton of settings inside. For example, you can set the sensitivity of the noise reduction and many more things. So it's a super flexible system, should pretty much cover all the possible needs. There's also a built-in player here inside, even with a speaker. But if we just want to start recording, we don't have to turn it on. We can super easy just switch this button here. You can see starts recording after just a couple of seconds. You can see now I didn't interrupt that. I just switched this button upwards and it started recording. And when we are finished, we just push this button down and it's saving the file. And so we are ready to play, delete, whatsoever, because we have full control here in the back. And so I can just play it here for you. Can hear really nice, good quality. Of course, even better when you have transferred it to your computer and then listen from there.
Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5.
While it's playing, we can hit the volume and then increase or decrease the volume. And so you can hear it's really loud for such a small device, and everything is recorded in really good quality. So we have really everything what we need. And so if you need something really reliable, something which really works and not only for a few minutes, this small device can record for up to 40 hours with just one charge. And the 68GB can store up to 5,000 hours of recording. and we have even built-in voice activation, so we can keep it running and it will only record when somebody's talking. So really high convenience, high reliability, super small, doesn't get much better than that, so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.